Hi everyone, my name is Lucas from Flowstar. Today I'll be showing you a trick which is called the magic switch. So you're starting in a figure eight and keep an eye on this one. Boom! Randomly switch sides like magic. Okay, so this one I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Jamie. She just randomly showed me this one day a few years ago. And since then I've been sharing the love of this trick. The reason why I like to call this one the magic one is because you're not actually throwing or tossing the Flowstar, so it's a little confusing as to how the switch is actually happening. The general theory is if you spin in, whether you do that left or right hand, what I want you to notice is that for most people you'll have 4 fingers on top and you'll have 1 thumb on the bottom. Now the idea is that while you're doing your figure eight, you, in 2 steps, bring these 4 fingers down to the bottom and the thumb up to the top. You just completely switch where your fingers are, and once you have completed the switch and you can continue doing your figure eight, then it will change sides. So we do that in 2 motions. The first is I bring my ring finger and my pinky underneath to meet the thumb. So now I've got fingers and the thumb down the bottom. And then I keep doing my figure eight. Then I slow down one of the beats, and as I'm going above my arm, I bring my thumb up and I bring my other 2 fingers down. And at this point, I have completely switched my hand position. And once I've switched my hand position, I then continue doing the figure eight in the same direction. So it's going to be hard to see, but I'll try and show you the timing that I'm working on, because it takes a little bit of a setup. So here I've got 4 fingers on top, thumb on the bottom. Now on this upbeat, and I can do it slowly, I have now got 3 fingers down the bottom and 2 fingers up top. And this is the tricky part. Thumb, switch fingers, back into a figure eight. And that is pretty much the move. Enjoy. Make sure to impress people with this one, because they'll be like, what? How's that changing color? And that's why it's a fun move to learn. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.